Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this pretty mini winter grapevine wreath. For the materials, you'll need a 12-inch grapevine wreath, a pine needle spray, twine, a fake deer antler, wire cutters, scissors, a hot glue gun, and the wreath bow I made the tutorial on a few weeks ago. First, tie the twine on the back of the wreath to hang it. Then shorten the pine needle spray to however short you need it. After that, hot glue it on the wreath. Do the same with the antler. Then put some twine through the back of the bow and secure it onto the wreath. And that's it! It's so easy and you can really modify it to however you'd like. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching!